Welcome to my vlog, my kamabuhay, mabuhayers. Live and alive. We are here in Victoria Shopping Center. Now is NCCC Mall or New City Commercial Center. Take a look of their Christmas tree, so big, so tall, almost there on the roof or the ceiling. Just making live to the fullest. I'm looking for my companions, Nanining and Daidna, but where are they now? I don't know where to find them, so let's just take a look. Let's go forward. Sharing you my detour here in shopping center. The entrance. NCCC Mall is, of course, Victoria Plaza is now NCCC Mall with a new management. Let's just make our tour. Danya gift shop, kasuotan, fanatic. There are also jewelries available on this area. Where are they now? My companions. Looking for them. We are feeling parked already. There are also vacant space wherein you can sit here for a moment. Where can I find them? There are so many doors of Victoria Plaza. Let's just continue our going around, looking for Nanining and Daidna. Where are they? Victoria department store. Later. I'm looking for you. Oh, there you are. Nakita ko sa inyo dito. Oh. Yeah, RCBC. So my companions. Okay, shout out. The beauty queen, the two beauty queen. Okay, so where are we na? It's good.
Masakay ka? Dito ang kasakay.
Masakay muna. Sige, masakay muna ako. Mga amsa, sige. Sige. Where ta?
Magsakay tayo sa branch tayo.
Oo.
Mamaya na magsakay.
Sige. Beautiful decoration. Victoria department store. Shout out po sa Davao. Tagamlangoy Daidna. And Queen Ara is there.
Hi, Davao.
Hi, Davao. Hi, Jensen.
Hi, Davao.
Hi, Jensen.
Hi, Jensen.
I'm Lang. Okay, mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Oh, regards to all our friends from the Beauty Queen. Shout out. Beauty Queen of Davao, Lang and Jensen Coronadal. Let's get inside the whole world. There's a mask. Okay. Oh, sige, there's a department store. NCCC department store. Okay, that's Santa Claus. Christmas is great. There's Catholic Mass going on now.
Nagiging kasi mong mga apostoles ang kalinaw ibigay mo kaninyo mga pagkalinaw ihatag mo kaninyo.
We are looking for a place to eat. Where are we now? Oh, yan. I would like to ride on this. Yeah, that's a donkey. See you later. Later na, we'll eat. 5 minutes lang naman. See you in a while. So, 5 minutes, 20 pesos. See you. See you later. I will ride. Wow, there's no red. I want red. Where's that? Blue. Ah.
Or pagkaon na ta.
Ito na mo.
Pagkaon na ta?
After na lang. I want that one. There's no red. Pink, pink. 5 minutes lang naman. 20 pesos. I will see you soon. In a while. See you in a while. Okay. I'd like to ride that. Is that a dog or a donkey? Dire, nagtanaw na mo dire? Ato-anda tong ano sa gawas. Yan. Buy one, take one. Again, that's Victoria Department Store. So, enjoying with my kung lang ang ninyo and kagabawin nyo.
Doon po mahilan sa Manila. Ayun sa...
Cover court? Where's the cover court? RCBC. This is the food court. Do they have gulay? Oh, ano? What is available sa Mandarin?
Marami. Gusto mo may gulay.
So we are here now in the Victoria food court for our stomach development. Mandarin, okay. Chinese food din yan, no? Mandarin.
Oo,
Oh. So, kaya we have also massage center here for your relaxation. Massage. We are looking for Mandarin or food court here in Victoria. Now in CCC Mall. So let's go. Mandarin Garden. We are here. Mandarin. We'll get inside. Mandarin. Welcome to Mandarin. So where are we now? My first time here. Mandarin Tea Garden. Do you have visible also? Okay, we have their menu. Let's have a menu. Chicken mami, asado. 155 beverages. What's yours the type? Plain lugaw.
Lugaw gusto ko.
Oh, yan oh, lugaw oh.
Para namin sa ano,
Ha?
lugaw.
100. What else? This chicken mami ah. Sarap ba yan?
Oo. Dahil tayo.
Okay, we are looking on, what's this? Menu? Pork asado. Ayaw ko yan. I want something healthy. Where's the Inday?
Ha?
Vegetables? Wala. Lumpia.
Ito di ay.
Ha?
Nandarin di. 125. Dali.
Mandarin? What are we going to order? Sarap ba dito? Puro lang ako Chowking. Chowking lang ako palagi. Sarap ba yan oh? Mandarin vegetable. Ano ha? Ano maganda dito? Ah, sige. Ano sa inyo? With rice na yan. What should I try? Mushroom. Water lang ko. Ano sa inyo? Chicken mami. Sarap ba yan? Ito lang. Shumai.
Sa akin, lugaw yung ano.
Lugaw daw sa kanya. Plain lugaw.
Para may rice. Doon yata ito.
I want pansit. Something.
Yeah.
Pansit ito. This one. Pansit. Mami.
Oo, chicken mami. Yung pansit nila, order namin, lagi namin naubos. Pero masarap. Gimaon na yung
Masarap
may trip
ito.
na mauna ang tulog.
Ito na lang. Chicken mami.
Tapos yung lugaw.
So,
Ito.
chicken mami. Yung,
Oo.
hindi siya masyadong maalat, yung chicken mami. Ha?
Hindi ko sure, ma'am.
Ito, oh.
May mapalaya.
Century egg lugaw, 130.
Kung sa mga pansit ninyo nga
Plain
available.
rice for fried rice.
Plain rice.
Plain
What
rice.
are other available na pansit?
Pansit. Pansit canton.
Andun, masarap din.
Wala na?
Pansit canton.
Hindi. Kanina lang po ako.
Noodles.
Lumpia spring roll.
Okay. Chicken mami.
Chicken mami.
So, I ordered chicken mami here in Mandarin.
135.
So, for now,
Hindi asado nga.
Opo.
dili lang karaton na ko. Ay, order lang. Dili lang karat. Bawal sa ko. So, that's it. Nag-order kami sa Mandarin. My first time here. Okay na?
Okay na po.
May senior discount, no? Senior man kami.
Opo. So may isa.
Water. Tubig lang ang kuha ka nung dili lang. Dili ko na.
So may so may
So this is so for now I am your vlogger live and alive here in Mandarin Tea Garden, Davao City, Victoria Shopping Center, now New City Commercial Center. Hello everyone, thank you for joining me my a day in Davao City. I'm your teacher vlogger, teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Marcelo Ringdon. Long live, good person, good life. Mabuhay. Magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Remember, if there's no picture or video, it did not happen. If what you have done is not excellent, you have done nothing. God is good all the time. Guitar teacher, teacher vlogger, signing off. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my YouTube Mabuhay channel. Mabuhay!